Welcome to Night Hotel. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about probability distribution function. The probability distribution function, or we can also call it as cumulative distribution function. So it is denoted by capital Fx of x. Here x is a random variable, which we have discussed in the last lecture. A random variable means it is a function that assigns real values to all the elements of sample space. And here small x is the values of the random variable. So the same example which we have discussed in the last lecture. The experiment of tossing two coins. The outcomes are 4 outcomes. And here the random variable we are taking the function as number of heads. So this function will assign real values to all the elements of sample space, and we are getting the values of random variable as 0, 1, 2. And already we know how to calculate probabilities for these values. So probability of 0 is 1 by 4, 1 is 2 by 4, 2 is 1 by 4. So here we can define this probability distribution function as the sum of probabilities of all the events capital X less than or equal to small x. Sum of probabilities of all the events capital X less than or equal to small x is called as probability distribution function and denoted by capital Fx of x. So let us take this example and we can calculate probability distribution function for the same example. So here first we have to find the values of the random variable and probability of each value. Then Fx of x, already we know the definition of distribution function. Fx of x is probability of capital X less than or equal to small x. So here the small x is values of the random variable. So here the values are 0, 1, 2. So we can calculate distribution for 0, 1 and 2. So first take 0. Fx of 0 means by definition probability of capital X less than or equal to small x value here is 0. So now we have to write the events which are less than or equal to 0. So the values of the random variable capital X for which capital X is less than or equal to 0. That means we are having only one value, that is x is equal to 0. So probability of x is equal to 0 is, already we know it is 1 by 4. Now take 1. Fx of 1 means by definition it is probability of capital X less than or equal to 1. Now we have to write the values of the random variable which are less than or equal to 1. That means we are getting two values. Capital X values less than or equal to 1 means 0 and 1. So that is probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1. That is 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. So we are getting the value of Fx of 1 as 3 by 4. And last Fx of 2. So by definition it is probability of capital X less than or equal to 2. Now we have to take the values of random variable which are less than or equal to 2. That means we are getting all the three values 0, 1 and 2. We have to add probabilities of these three events. That is 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4 which is equal to 1. So for any experiment, first we have to find the values of random variable, then probability of each value. Next we have to calculate distribution function for all the values of this random variable. Now we are mathematically representing this distribution function by using a unit step signal. So here the values are 0, 1, 2. That means we are representing it by using u of x minus 0, u of x minus 1, u of x minus 2. And the magnitudes are simply their probabilities. At 0 the probability is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into u of x minus 0 plus at 1 the probability is 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 into u of x minus 1, and finally at 2 the probability is 1 by 4. So it is 1 by 4 into u of x minus 2. And we can also represent this distribution function graphically. So first we have to take on x-axis the values of x. The values of x are 0, 1, 2. On y-axis we are taking distribution function fx of x. So at 0 we are getting 1 by 4. At 1 we are getting 3 by 4. And finally at 2 we are getting 1. So we can mathematically represent distribution function by using unit step signal, and we can also plot it graphically.